In this tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to sign in with Clever, as that will be the page that we will be signing into the majority of our resources being used in technology from here on out. So when you get to your main Google page, you want to go to the Palmerton District website, so www.palmerton.org. And once you are in the district website, you can come down to Student Resources. Once you're in Student Resources, the second option on the left-hand side is Clever. You want to click on Clever, and it will take you to the Clever login page for Palmerton Area School District. If it does not say Palmerton Area School District, you are not in the right place, and please go back and go through the Palmerton website to get to Clever. Once you click on Clever, sign in, and then you are going to sign in the same way you sign into your Chromebooks. And then you click on your name, sign in, and it will log you directly into Clever. Once you are in Clever, you can go to Schoology, you can go to Typing Agent without having to log in separately to Schoology and Typing Agent. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you very much and have a great day.